Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff with international flavour.
That's it.
So we've got two deliveries here, one very European and one very Northern American.
Yep. Would they object to being called that, do you think?
Well, it's part of the
It's on
North American
the continent. I suppose.
Not sure how else you'd describe it.
We'll see if there's any Canadians in the comments below. So we have some.
I didn't call them Americans. I mean, give me a break here.
Okay, look, fair. I'll cop that. We have the black boxes from Germania Mint in Poland. So interested to see. I'm thinking gold based on how easily I was able to carry these down here. So we will.
Groovy packaging.
Ooh.
I don't think I've seen that type
Looks like
before.
it's got fur. Yeah.
Keeps it warm.
That's it. You know, it does get pretty cold in Poland, I believe. What do we got?
Oh,
Hey,
box and a bit.
Looks like we've combined the two different things in the one box.
So we'll come back to that one in a minute and we'll have a look what's in here.
There we go.
All right, we have made it to the inside and we have an incredible Germania Mint production there. So that is their 1 ounce cast bar, which is interesting because it's in similar packaging to the Perth Mint minted bar. So it always throws me.
Bit of a hybrid. Is
Yeah.
it cast? Is it minted? Best of both worlds.
So it's they do a beautiful job. It is a premium product, so you are paying more than just a locally produced cast bar, but it's an incredible finish and it comes in this great packaging. And on the back, you get the hologram.
Lovely.
So we have those back in stock, always very popular, and rightly so. They're a great design. I'm assuming that one's the same, so we're going to flip over to this one now.
Yeah. So I was going to say, I think we've only gotten them in once before, but they were received quite well. I think that's
They
it.
were.
Bit of a different take on a classic, and yeah, Germania just they know how to do it.
They do. They do a masterful job. There's no doubt about it. Alrighty, so in here we should have, with any luck, another bag.
You weren't aiming for the green packing material?
No, we haven't started stacking that yet. Stand by.
So why are we getting something from Canada from Poland?
It's just come through the wholesaler. That's
There you
all.
go.
Alrighty, so
Well
within
travelled.
here, there will be a glove around here somewhere.
I think hiding under that packaging
There it
over
is.
there after it.
It would be here somewhere. So we have the 2020.
2023s?
Oh no, they are 23s. I was seeing the 22 written there, but that's because it's the commemorative.
Ah, yes.
So you have the infamous maple on one side.
Infamous.
Very infamous.
Care to elaborate further?
No,
No?
not
Okay.
even slightly.
Fair enough.
It's a beautiful design, but it's their classic design, the maple. The Royal Canadian Mint, they do an amazing job. And then over on the obverse, you've got the commemorative Queen Elizabeth memorial. Beautiful coin, one of the basics, one of the ones that we love having in. So.
Yeah, so we already got some of these not too long ago in a recent delivery, but that's it. They were very popular, and we went, you know what? We'll have some more of those coming. So yeah, good to see. Love to see it.
So one of the last international deliveries for the year.
That's it.
We'll be pausing all ordering and delivering from overseas for the Christmas break. So if these are in your shopping list or on your shopping list, you need to grab them while you can. Both the Germania Mint 1 ounce and the 1 ounce maple. Great Christmas presents if you're feeling generous.
I was going to say, very generous. Alrighty, I think that's it out of this one. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.